Hotel Julian room tour. So when you walk in, this is the king suite. So this is the bed. Some pictures. Don't have a view, I already looked out. TV. The bed has the logo. There's a safe. Refrigerator. Little coffee, tea, a robe. Look at this. Your own robe. And then the piece de resistance is the bathroom. So you have a mirror here, a mirror there. Then this is the shower. It smells so clean in here, as it should, but like a really pretty clean. The toilet paper even has the logo. Tissues in the form of a flower. And voila. This is the King Suite Hotel Julian room tour.